Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you different jackets ideas. So I hope you guys enjoy my videos. So let's start today's video friends. My first idea is weavers. I have more amazing and easy jute ideas for you. These ideas are simple, beautiful, and perfect for home decoration. Jute lampshades. Take an old elbow balloon, warp jute rope around it with glue, let it dry, and remove the base. Now you have a warm, stylish lampshade. Second idea, jute photo frame. Take a simple frame, cover it with jute rope or jute fabric. You can add small shells or beads. It's give a nature and handmade look. Third idea is jute rope pen holder. Use an empty tin can, warp jute rope around it, decorate with lace or ribbon. Perfect for your study tables. Next idea is jute mirror decor and frames. Interiors. Take a small mirror, make a round jute design around it. This look very beautiful on wall. Jute tray, use cardboard or an old tray, cover it with jute fabric, add drop handles on both sides. Now you have a serving tray and weavers. Friends, I hope you next idea is friends. To key ring. So friends, for key holder, use a wooden base and warp jute rope and the hooks to hang keys. It is useful and decorative. I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my